If every human somehow simply disappeared from the face of the Earth, how long would it be before the last artificial light source would go out? Most lights wouldn't last long because the major power grids would go down relatively quickly. Most nuclear reactors wouldn't keep running for long. As soon as something went wrong, the core would go into automatic shutdown. Every part of a reactor control system is designed so that a failure causes it to rapidly shut down. This would happen quickly. Many things can trigger a shutdown, but the most likely culprit would be the failure of the power grid. Geothermal plants can run for a fair bit of time without human intervention. Without humans to perform these sorts of maintenance procedures, some plants might run for a few years, but they'd also come to corrosion eventually. Lights relying on wind power would last a bit longer. Modern turbines are typically rated to run for 3 years without servicing, and there are no doubt some which would run for decades. And one of them would probably have at least a status LED in it somewhere. Eventually, most of the wind turbines would be stopped by the same thing that would destroy the geothermal plants. Their gearboxes would seize up. Generators that convert falling water into electricity will also keep working. And if everyone walked out, the facility would continue to run on autopilot for several years. Though, if the power grid is down, all that electricity would have nowhere to go. In the end, the dam would probably succumb to clogged intakes or the same kind of mechanical failure that hit the wind turbines and geothermal plants. Solar panels will generally last as long as the electronics connected to them and as long as the panels are kept free of dust and debris. But solar panels in a dry place with well-built electronics could easily continue providing power for a century if they're kept free of dust by occasional breezes or rain on the exposed panels. If we follow a strict definition of lighting, solar-powered lights in remote locations could conceivably be the last surviving human light source.